Few students enjoy school and even fewer enjoy learning. For these students, it is important to find a way to make learning fun and engaging. Hello, rising parents. My name is Edna.
And I'm Tim. If you are looking for insightful parenting tips and tricks, you are in the right place.
As some of you may already know, Tim and I own and operate a licensed daycare facility, and we have worked professionally with children and their families for over 20 years. We have raised 3 children of our own, and over the years we have learned that to be the parents we want to be for our children, we as parents must love, learn, and rise.
We started this YouTube channel to share our vast knowledge and help parents rise beyond the struggles and limitations most parents encounter. In this video, we will share 11 things you can do to help teach a reluctant learner. So, without further ado, let's get started.
In order to teach a reluctant learner, it is important to understand their personality and interests. Once you have a good understanding of what makes them tick, you can begin to find ways to engage them in the material. Some students may be more hands-on learners, while others may prefer verbal instruction. Here are 11 things you can do to help teach a reluctant learner. 1. Establish trust. Build a positive relationship with the student. The most important thing a teacher can do with a reluctant learner is to establish trust and build a positive relationship. The relationship between the student and the teacher should be based on respect. Be an advocate for your students.
2. Make learning fun. Be creative and find fun ways to teach material. Make sure you are supportive and encouraging. For some students, academics are a chore. They do not want to be there and are resistant to change. If you can make learning fun for them, you will have their attention. 3. Encourage them.
As a parent, you can encourage your child to use their strengths in school. Find out what they enjoy most about school and encourage it as often as possible. Encourage them to see the value in what they are learning. Encourage a love of reading. Reading is the best way for students to acquire new information and knowledge. As a parent, you can do much to help your child with their schoolwork. You can come up with strategies for helping them at home and encourage them to work hard. Encourage them to read more and to read more challenging books. When the student understands why they are learning something, they will be more invested in the process.
4. Help them. Help them see how what they are learning will be useful to them in the future. Keep this realistic and relevant to the student's interests. If you can connect what they are learning in school with what is happening in their everyday lives, it will make a difference. 5. Be a good listener.
Show interest in the student by asking questions and listening to their responses. If you listen, you will learn more about how to help them. 6. Be a co-creator of learning. When we work with students, we should treat them as co-creators of the process. They should be part of the creation process. 7. Be supportive and accommodating.
Be supportive and accommodating of the student's needs. This means being sensitive to the student's individual learning style and taking steps to provide what they need to be successful. 8. Use positive reinforcement. Praise the student for good work, manners, or other positive actions. Ask the student about things that interest them. Find out what sports, music, or other activities they like and then make sure you know about them. 9. Be flexible.
Be flexible if you need to change your plans. Be aware of your stresses. Keep your own stress level down by doing things you enjoy. Try not to worry about the student's behavior. Be aware of your attitude towards the student and how this is perceived by the child. Speak and act with respect to them. If you are preoccupied, it will be hard for you to relate to them in a positive way. 10. Provide a safe environment. Provide a safe environment for the child at school and home. This includes keeping the child safe from bullying and other forms of abuse.
11. Encourage collaboration. Encourage collaboration between the student and their peers. This will help the student to feel included in social situations. It can be difficult to teach a student who is reluctant to learn. In some cases, the student may have difficulty with the material for no clear reason. Other times, the student may be experiencing problems at home or other areas of life that are making it hard for them to focus in class. Schools can help reluctant learners succeed in school by providing a plan for homeschool communication.
They should also be creative and find fun ways to teach material. No matter what caused the child to be a reluctant learner, these tips can help a reluctant learner become more engaged in their education. And that concludes How to Teach a Reluctant Learner. Be sure to check out these 2 helpful videos. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye for now.